All right. We are at this building in Lake Forest. We've got a modernized Dover Impulse. And I actually think it might still be Dover, or it might still be a DMC. I rode this many times when it was Impulse. I'm surprised it got modded. It ran really great. This thing was actually in like perfect shape. I don't know why they would have modded it.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. I'm just getting a project.
You're good.
I'm going.
Me too.
I guess those are locked. We'll just go back to LL and take one more ride up from there. No, this isn't DMC. Okay, let's see the lantern. Look, Dover Impulse. It's got the same dimensions as the Impulse lantern. Interesting placement for the access key switch too. Ooh, it's all very sterile and empty down here. Guess we'll just go to one. Anyway. That will be it. I'll show the building from outside real fast. That's what it looks like. Anyway, that's all.